if you're ignoring a problem, if you know that you're hiding away, burying your head, trying to hope it'll go away, I've got 3 things to remind you about that situation, which I hope will inspire your action. Number 1 is, if you've got the head in the sand, you can't see solutions. So the problem isn't going to go away. And when you come up, it's only when you put your head out of the sand that you can see the solutions. So the longer it's in the sand, the longer it is till you find a solution. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that actually you've got a bigger problem. And the bigger problem is that if you've got your head in the sand, you cannot see the encroaching sea. And therefore, the encroaching sea, and any other problems, if I'm honest. So it's as if to avoid one problem, you're making more problems. So 1, you can't see the solutions, and B, you actually can't see any other problems, and you've given yourself another problem by putting it in the sand. And the third piece is the amount of effort needed to keep your head in the sand. It's very uncomfortable. Body finds it very uncomfortable. You can't breathe. So actually, there's a lot of energy going to keeping your head in the sand. So it's going to feel so much better when you take your head out of the sand. You're going to have more energy to be able to solve the problem. So I'm hoping that one of those 3 insights is enough for you to realise that you need to take your head out of the sand about the problem that you're thinking about and to take action. Do let me know what you'd like me to cover in future episodes, where I take an idiom that we use and explore it, embody it, in order to get insight about the problem we're facing, whether that's can't see the wood for the trees, stuck between a rock and a hard place, backed into a corner. I'll go out and embody it for you. I've also done a poem that pulls all of this together, so head over to the poem shown here. And I'd also like you not to put your head in the sand about subscribe, and then that enables me to get out and do more of these videos.